The storm is the storm. This is the storm. Did you see it, guys? I see that. The storm is the storm. This is the storm. Did you see it, guys? I see that when in 6 o'clock 30 or alas 6. This is blinding. I think it's just a supercell and this is a supercell, guys. I don't know it's a tornado or a supercell. You see this big thing? You see I cannot go in here because it's night. I found this rare thing. And when it's night, when the storm was in here, I think it's a tornado. I think it's a storm. I think it was a storm. Did you see that, guys? That storm. Let's found in here. Let's go. After that thing, this is a tricycle. I don't know. This is an interceptor. This is my house. Yeah, it's a storm. He used to be making a supercell, and from the Mount McKinley, they create a tornado because heat and the cloud, they collided and they create a supercell, and after they create a funnel tornado. You see this cloud, two cloud was collided, and this one cloud, I don't know what is this storm. I don't know this, guys. It's a storm. I don't know, guys. This is a storm or tornado or severe thunderstorm. Because so it's I don't know. It's a funnel tornado because he made in here the tiny one. So I'm sorry because this phone was blind. After that, it's sunrise. Let's go to make up. Let's go. I don't go in here. That was so dangerous. If we go at here, and we go at here at the top by the tornado, and after the tornado, I will making a video, or there was a tornado making from to the Santo Tomas. I know that is supercell. It's supercell, guys. It's supercell. Yeah. Yeah, it's supercell. Yeah, it's supercell. Because the tornado was making at the Santo Tomas, Batangas. It's so darker right now. And guys, stay safe. And stay safe. The end. I see the funnel tornado. It's not a funnel tornado. I don't know, it's a storm or a tornado. Yeah, I found the tornado. It's a funnel tornado, guys. Yeah, I see the funnel tornado. He was here. I think it's a supercell, this. And this is a tornado, guys. Please stay safe. I see the tornado right now. It's a funnel tornado. It's a funnel tornado. Yeah, I see it. Here. A tiny. It's tiny. Yeah. There a tiny. It's tiny. Yeah. There was a tornado too. It's nah, that's not tornado. But it's actually tornado, a funnel tornado. This is a funnel tornado. This is a funnel tornado, guys. I don't know. And the night they will go from to the San Joaquin. They will hit the San Joaquin. I don't know what this tornado think. If they know there was a tornado, I don't know what's happening. It's a night, guys. You will see there's a big cloud. Yeah, they move a cloud. We need to stay out here. And I'm gonna making an